Okay. Okay, we have K here. Okay. We have FB. Yeah? Okay, ini forward direction F T. Okay, the direction is in X direction, XT. Yeah? Okay. Nampak tak skrin ni?
Nampak doktor.
Okay.
Nampak doktor.
Okay, thanks. Okay. Find the transfer function. TF stands for transfer function of the system. Okay, transfer function means XS over FS. Berapa? Okay. Okay, now we need to draw. Okay. We need to draw the free body diagrams. Okay, we need to draw the free body diagrams of a system in S domain. Okay, yang tadi they show in T domain. Okay, this one in T domain. Semua ST, FT and so on, right? T domain K and FB. Kalau tukar pada S domain, we change to S domain. Okay, it will come like this. Okay. Okay, this is M. Okay. We take a look. This is FT, right? When FT is changed to FS, change to FS. Okay. Again, again. Okay, kita ada this kind of system. Okay. Okay, this is wall. Okay. This is wall. Okay. This wall. And this is K. Okay. K is for spring. FB for vicious damper. FT is force. And XT is the direction. Okay. Find the transfer function of the system. Okay. First, we need to change to S domain. Okay. S domain means they want the answer in S. Okay. XS over FS. Okay. Equal. We need to find it. Okay. Then we need to draw into the free body diagram. First, we need to draw free body diagram of a system in S domain. This is T domain and this is S domain. Okay. So first, okay, we have FS, right? Okay, FT, right? So we change to FS. Okay. Then what we have? We have K, we have FV, we have M. M for mass. Okay. Now we need to find, we need to draw K. Okay. Now force is in forward direction, right? This one, K and FV and M all in reverse direction. Okay. So K Okay, this is K. When we change to S domain, is still K. Okay. Now K need to time with direction. Direction here is ST, right? So we need to change to XS. Yeah? Okay, so K time XS. Okay. K we need to multiply with XS. Okay. How about another force? Okay. What we have here is FV, right? In T domain is FV. Okay. We need to change to S domain, become FV times S. Okay, sorry. FV times S times direction X S. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Previously, I already shared to you the okay, I already shared to you the spring. If the S domain is K and vicious damper in S domain will become FV times S and mass become M times S square. Yeah, I already shared to you before. Okay. Now K is just only K. K will not change anything. It's still K, but we need to multiply with XS. FV here we need to times with S times XS. How about mass? Okay, this one and this one is solved. How about mass? Mass we need to time with S square. Mass times S square X S. All need to time with XS. So now we need to find the summation of these. Okay, summation of these. So Fs in forward direction. So Fs. Okay. Originally it's like this. Fs minus K xs minus Fv s times xs minus m times s square xs equal 0. We need to find summation of this. Why minus? Because this in different direction. Okay. Fv in forward direction, K, Fv, and m in reverse direction. So Fs equal. Okay, we need. I arrange this one. Okay. M s square ss plus Fv times S xs plus K xs. Okay, I just bring this one at the forward here. Okay, so we have xs here, right? We bring xs outside. Okay, so it become xs m s square plus Fv times S plus K Fs. What the question want? They want the transfer function, which is Xs over Fs, right? So what is Xs equal SS over Fs equal 1 over okay, this is the answer, okay? SS over Fs equal, which is transfer function, okay? This is transfer function, okay? SS over Fs equal 1 over ms square plus fvs plus k. You understand?
Faham, Doktor, faham.
Yes. Okay, I move to the next example, okay? I move to the next example. Example number 2. Example number 2. Okay, we have wall here. Okay, we have two mesh. Okay, mesh 1. We have another mesh. Mesh 2. Okay, this is wall. Okay, this also is a floor. Okay, we have spring here. K1. Which is damper FV3. We have another spring here, K2. We have another spring, K3. Okay. So we have three spring, K1, K2, and K3. Okay. Okay, this is, we have friction here, FV1. Okay. Another friction, friction between M1 and the floor. Okay, FV1, this is FV2, right? And this is vicious damper FV3, okay? We have three, we have FV1, FV2, and FV3, okay? So, okay, we need to draw the free body diagrams, okay? We need to draw the free body diagrams, okay? We have M1, okay, this is force of M1 due to the motion of M1. Force of M1 due to the motion of M1, okay? Okay, force of M1 due to the motion of M1. Okay, what the force of M1 due to the motion of M1? Apa force yang ada kat sini? What force we have here?
Ada damper, ada spring.
Okay, which damper? Okay, now
FV3.
FV3.
mention to me the numbering, the figure. We have K1
K1,
K1, K2, FV3.
and then
FV1. FV1 ada
some more.
F
dengan mass dia.
Yes, right. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Total, right?
Ya, doktor.
This is force of M1 due to the motion of M1. Okay, force is mana? Oh, we have foreigner here, right? I think we have foreigner here. I need to speak English. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 forces here. Right. Okay. Sorry, I missed something. Force is Ft is here. Ft. Okay. Force is force forward force, okay, at the M1 here, okay. And we have here, we have x1t, the direction. This is x2t. Okay. Syamini, faham eh? Nurul Syamini faham tak?
Faham, Doktor?
Okay. Okay. What force here? Okay. First we have Ft right here. Ft in the forward direction. Okay. We have, if Ft we change to x domain, what it become?
FS.
Fs, yeah. Okay. Fs. And the rest of it is all in reverse direction, right? So first, we have FV3 here. Okay. I think I need to this is what? FV berapa ni?
XS. Oh, 3. FV3.
FV berapa?
3.
3.
Yeah. FV3. And we have K, K2, right? Here. K2. Is it correct just like this? Betul tak? Navin? FV3 je saya tulis ni, betul ke tak?
Betul.
Salah
Betul,
kan?
doktor.
Doktor, kenapa K2 direction ke kiri bukan ke kanan ni?
Sebab ini semua yang mana?
Yang K2 tu.
K2. Everything here,
Ah.
other than force, is moving to different direction. That's all.
Oh.
It's just like a resistance. Resistance cannot same with force. Okay? If force moving forward direction is supposed to be in the rest is in the reverse direction. Okay. Okay, this one FV3 is need to time with S apa?
XS.
S1,
Yes.
right? S1S.
Oh, X1S. Okay.
2S, right? This is S1S. Alright. Okay, K2 needs to time with
X1S.
S. Okay, FV3 time S1S. Is it correct or wrong? Please refer my previous example. Is it correct or wrong?
Hmm.
Okay, I explained to you previously, K, if we change to S domain, it become K. But FV3, if we change to S domain, become
FVS,
FV3
FV3S.
times S, right?
S.
Yes, we miss S, right? So this is the correct one, FV3 times S times X1S, okay? Okay, K is remain K times X1S, okay? Then the right hand side, what we have here, we have K1, right? K1 times apa? Jaifril times apa?
X1S.
Times with the X1S.
Yeah,
The
S1.
mass.
X1S.
Yeah, correct. What we have more here? What do you
M.
have more?
MS. MS.
MS,
square.
Other than mass, what we have? Other than mass.
Friction.
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 F, V,
everyone.
times apa?
F1.
Times with
S.
S.
S. XS.
S1 ke S2S?
X1. X1.
1S, right? Okay.
S.
Okay, finally, what we have here? M,
MS.
MS,
square.
M1 times
S square.
S square
X square.
times
X1S.
X1S.
S1S. Okay, dapat eh? Faham sampai sini? You understand?
Yes. Understand.
Okay,
Yes,
fine.
doctor.
Okay, now we have force of M1 due to the motion of M1. But now we need to find force of M1 due to the motion of M2. Okay? We need to draw another one. Wait, Okay. Now we need to draw another one. Is okay. Yang atas tadi, okay, the top force of M1 due to the motion of M1. Now we need to find force of M1 due to the motion of M2. Okay. Force of M1 due to the motion of M2. What is it? Okay. Okay, now we need to find the link between M1 and M2. What we have here, what's the link between M1 and M2?
FV3
FV3
And
K2.
and K2, right?
K2.
Okay.
K2.
Okay, good. Okay. Okay, this one. Okay, sorry, this one is S1S. S1S. Okay, this one. S2S. Okay. So the only link we have here is K2 and FV3. Yeah, K2 and FV3. Okay. Okay. Now it's a little bit different. Okay. The force here we have is supposed to be in this reverse direction with this. Okay, reverse direction with all the friction here. Okay, it's different direction with this. Okay, so now we have FV3 and K2, right? So now it is FV3 times S. Okay, we have here FV3, yeah, but we link to M2 due to the motion of M2. So we have FV3 times S times X
X2.
to S. Okay. The other one is K2. Sorry, K2. Is it K2, right? Yeah, K2. Same K2, but different direction. K2 times apa?
X2S.
X2.
X2S.
2S, right? Okay, that's all. Okay. Now we have all the force of M1 due to the motion of M1 here. Then another diagram, force of M1 to the motion of M2. Okay, another diagram. Okay. But if you, in the future, if you're good enough, you can combine these forces into one diagram. Okay. But now for the beginner, you need to draw one by one. Okay. So now we need to find. We need to write all the force here. We have. Okay. Okay. Fs equal. Okay. Actually, like this, Fs plus Fv3 and so on, minus and so on, but I just want to make in one direction. So Fs equal apa? Okay, Fs equal. Okay, now we have S1S, right? Okay, you just make one group. Okay, So what we have here, M1, this one, M1 times S square M1 times S square plus apa? We have everyone here. We have everyone here. We have every three over here. So plus everyone plus every three times S. Okay. Plus we have K here. We have K1 here. We have K2 here. Okay. Plus K1 plus K2. Okay. Close the bracket. Times X1 S. Okay. This for X1 S. Okay. We look again here. How many force we have here? One. Okay. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, enough or not? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, enough, eh? So now we have x2 here, right? So minus FV3 times S, okay, plus K2 times X2 S. Okay, this is the equation. Okay. Okay, enough force or not? Okay, we look at this part. Okay, we have 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, only the linkage between M1 and M2. Okay. Okay, another part. At this time, you can copy everything.
Yes, doctor.
Okay. So, another diagrams. Okay. This is M2 plus. Just now M1, right? This one M2. Okay. So we have here X2S, yeah. This is force of M2 due to the motion of M2. Okay. Okay. Tengok balik ini. We take a look at this. What force we have here? The right hand side we have. What would you have?
K3.
K3, and the left hand
K3,
side.
K2.
FV3, K2,
Every 3, K2,
K3.
and some more.
FV2.
friction,
Yeah,
FV2.
FV2, and some more.
M2,
M2, yes, correct. Okay, M2. Okay, so we have K3 first. Okay. Okay, we have K3. It's hard, huh? Because you cannot see. Navin, kamu kat mana Navin? Okay. You have every1 and every2. This is every1. This is every2, right? Okay, now we have K3, right? So K3 times
S2.
S2S,
S.
right? And then we have here F V3 times apa? Safwan?
S
X to S.
S times X2.
2S.
S.
Okay. Okay. Next K2, right? Times X2 S. Lagi apa lagi?
M2.
What do you have?
M2.
M2S square.
M2 S square. Okay, we have M2 S square S2. Yeah. M2 S square M2 S. Okay. M2 S square X2S. Okay. Finally, we have
FV2.
MV2. MV2 times
S
S2S.
S2S.
S X2
S.
Okay. Okay. This is force of M2 due to the motion of M1. Okay. Okay, force M2 due to the motion of M1. Okay, at the same principle, we need to find the linkage between M2 and M1. What is the linkage between M2 and M1?
FV3 K2.
So F3, K2.
MV3 and K2 only, right? So the same principle.
Yeah.
Okay, we have FV3 and K2, right? So the direction supposed to be different direction with all the resistance here. So We have 2. This one is FV3 times S times X.
X2S.
Are you sure S2S? But due to the motion of S1 ni, due to the motion of M1, this is S2 or S1? Okay,
S.
X1.
S1, right? S1, S. Okay,
Oh.
force of M2 due to the motion of M2, this one, S2. But force of M2 due to the motion of M1, we need to find the direction of S1. Okay, S1 is here.
Oh.
Okay, force of M2 due to the motion of S2, M1, right? Dia punya direction kat sini. Okay. So, this one FV3 times S times S1S. Okay, another one is K2, right? We have K2 here. So, K2 times apa?
S1, X1,
S1S.
S.
Okay. Okay, so we need to write the equation here, all the summation here. Okay, now we don't have force here, right? So equal 0 equal apa? What we have here is, okay, what we have is M2, right? We have M2 S square, M2 S
S
square,
square
okay, plus
plus
FV.
V2
Settle FV first. FV3 plus FV2 times S. Okay, so for FV2, FV3, and S, right? We have S here. Plus, we have K right here. K3 and K2, right? So, K2 plus K3. Okay, close the bracket. This is X2, S, right? Minus, this is different direction. So, minus FV3 S plus K2 times X1S.
S.
Okay. Okay, now we have two equations, right? Okay, again, this is the first equation, and this is another equation. We need to solve this equation, okay? Okay, we need to solve this equation, okay? Okay, give me 3 minutes, yeah? Okay? Take a break for 3 minutes, okay? We will continue. Abdul Hamid, where are you? Where is Siti
Yes, sir.
Abdullah? Where is Muhammad Syamil? Muhammad Syamil, is it? Muhammad Syamil, where are you? Muhammad Syamil, are you here or not? Or you just switch on your laptop and you go?
Sir, he said he got for the toilet.
Okay, fine. Okay. Okay, we continue now. Okay, just now I explained to you we have two equations. Okay, this is the first. Can you see my screen? Can you see the slide?
Yes, doctor.
Yes,
Okay.
doctor.
Okay, we have two
Yes,
equations.
Doctor.
We have Fs equal m1 s square plus fv1 plus fv3 times s plus k1 plus k2 times x1s minus fv3s plus k2 times x2s. Okay, this is one equation. Another equation is m2 s square plus fv3 plus fv2 times s plus k2 plus k3 times x2s minus fv3s plus k2 times x1s. This is the second equation. Okay. Okay. Okay, we need to rearrange the equation, okay? So that the equation 1 and equation 2 will be the same, okay? The x1 and x2, okay? The location, okay? Sekejap K1 plus K3. Okay. Okay, we have these two
Sir,
equations.
Sir, the behind of the K1 or K2?
Sebentar. Okay, this is K2, right? Okay, thank you. K2, right? Any mistake? Everyone, every 3, K1, K2, M1 S square.
Uh,
That's why they silap, right?
you missing the S.
Yeah. Susah juga ni. Aduh. This one equals 0, okay? Okay, not enough space, okay? Okay, because we miss the S here. Okay, this one X2S. Okay, we have two equations here. We need to solve this equation, okay? How to solve this equation, okay? Okay. To get the transfer function, okay, which is x2 S over Fs. We need to find this transfer function, okay? By applying Cramer's rule. You ever learned the Cramer's rule before, right? Cramer's rule, okay? Okay, if you not really understand what is Cramer's rule, find the YouTube and find Cramer's rule, and they show you step by step how to solve the question, okay? But in this question, I will explain to you how to solve it, okay? Okay. Okay, now x2s, okay, we need to find x2s, okay? The question one, x2s over fs, okay? So how to find x2s, okay? Okay. Okay, x s2s equal, okay, Cramer's rule macam ni. We do the straight line, okay? Okay. Then we need to over this we call determinant, okay? This we call determinant, okay? The triangle we call determinant, okay? Okay, now, okay, this, okay, x1s, okay, s1s, okay, we have m1s square, every1, every3, and we have k1, k2, right? But in the other term here, s1s, we have every3 and k2, okay? In this Cramer's rule, okay, okay, we need to copy the first line first, the first line here, okay, the first line here. So now we have m1 s square plus, okay, every1 plus every3 every3 s plus k1 plus k2, okay? We need to write the first line, okay? On the second line here, okay, this is the first part, okay, this second part, we just copy it, okay? Minus fv3 fv3 s plus k2, okay? Okay, again, in order to find S2S over Fs, okay, kita nak cari kat sini, we want to find S2S here, okay, S2S, we want to find S2S, we need to copy the first, okay, the first column, we can say, this is the first column, okay, the first column and the final column, okay, equal, yang equal, okay, okay, now we have Fs 0. Okay. There is two straight lines here. Okay. We need to solve this first. Okay. how to solve this? Okay, equal, okay, x to s equal, okay, we need to cross multiply, okay, this and this, okay, okay, 0 multiply all this term is equal 0, right? Minus this times this, okay. Now, first we need to, okay, 0 multiply with, sorry, okay, 0 multiply this is 0, 0 minus, okay, we have minus here, right? Minus FV3 plus K2 times Fs, right? So it become, okay, 0 minus FV3 plus K2 times Fs, right? So it become 0 minus, okay. It become this, okay. So okay, so 0 minus this one become this equation, okay. This is another equation. Okay, we need to use this equation later, okay. Next, okay, what we miss here? What we miss here? Sorry, I missed something here. We miss over determinant, right? Right. Because this one, all this equation over determinant. Okay, this one is over determinant. Okay. Okay, this. Okay. Over determinant. Okay. Okay. Just now, I just repeat again. S to S equal Fs times Fv 3 times S plus K2 over determinant. Right? Okay, what determinant? What is determinant here? What is determinant? Okay, we look at the question here. Okay, we take a look at this equation here. Okay, we will copy this in one part like this. Okay. Okay, this is equal to 0, right? Okay, okay, determinant equal what? Okay, we copy this one first. M1 S square plus every1 plus every3 times S plus K1 plus K2. Okay, the below one, every3 S plus K2, right? This is the first column. How about the another part? Okay, another part is this one. The another column minus FV3S plus K2. Okay, another is M2 M2 S square plus FV3 plus FV FV2 times S. Okay, plus K2 plus K3, right? So I have another line here. Okay, we have M1 S square plus every1 plus every3 S plus K1 plus K2. Okay, the below part is minus every3 S plus K2. Okay, the other column minus every3 S plus K2. And the another column, the below one is M2 S square plus every3 plus every2 S plus K2 plus K3. Okay, we need to solve this. Okay, so this one I clean up. Okay, so okay, so we cross section all these things. Okay, this time this and this time this. Okay, so M1 S square plus every1 plus every3 S plus K1 plus K2 times M2 S square plus MV3 plus MV2 S plus K2 plus K3, okay, minus, okay, this term and this term is same, right? So minus plus, right? So minus FV3 times S plus K2 plus K2 square, right? Okay, what is the condition? Okay, this is, okay, this cross section, okay, become this, and if M1 equal M2 equal 1 and FV1 equal FV2 equal FV3 equal 1 and K1 equal K2 equal K3 equal 1. What if everything is 1? So it will become, okay, in the examination, if they give you this condition, all is equal to 1, then you can follow 1. If not, you just write M and S and K and so on. Okay. Okay. If M2 equal M1, FV1 equal FV2, equal FV3 equal 1, K1, K2, K3 equal 1. So it becomes S square plus 2S plus 2 S square plus 2S plus 2 minus S plus 1 square. Okay. So we need to solve this equation. Okay, this is going to be long question. If I show you step by step, it's going to be long. So I simplify it. Okay, I just simplify it. Determinant is equal to S to the power of 4 plus 4 S to the power of 3 plus 7 S 7S square plus 6S plus 3. Okay, this is the value of determinant. Okay, now can you see this equation? S to S equal Fs times FVP and so on. This one over determinant. We just insert determinant, this determinant into this. Okay, so okay, so now S2S equal Fs times S plus 1 over determinant, right? So this determinant will replace this value of determinant into this equation. Okay, so determinant will be changed to S to the power of 4 plus 4S to the power of 3 plus 7S square plus 6S plus 3. Okay. So now finally S2S over Fs will be coming s plus 1 over s to the power of 4 plus 4s to the power of 3 plus 7s squared plus 6s plus 3. Okay. Okay, this will be the answer. Okay. Okay, this will be the answer. Okay. Okay, at this moment, do you understand?
Yes, Doctor.
Okay. On Thursday, we will have the quiz. It's going to be 2%. Okay. But the question not only this, but all the video that we sent to you before. Okay. They have several parts. The video that we released. Okay. Last week. Okay. You need to study all the video because this is one of the parts. Okay. This is one of the parts. So this Friday, it will be also the objective, but have some calculation. Okay, only 2%. Okay. So I think that's it for today. Okay. Next week, we will meet again. Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Doctor,
Thank you,
Yeah.
Doctor.
Thank you, doctor.
thank you, Doctor.
Ada masalah? Tak ada?
Quiz
Tak
tu
ada, tak ada.
kan ada calculation kan?
Yes. The quiz,
Dia subjektif ke objektif?
from what I heard, it will be objective. The same.
Oh, okay,
All
okay, okay.
simple. Okay.
Okay, thank you, Doctor.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. Bye.
Thank you, Doctor.
Yeah, thank
Thank
you,
you,
Doctor.
Doctor.
Thank you, Doctor.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Doctor.
Doctor.
Thank you,
Sama-sama.
Doctor.